made a profit of...
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We are bringing you yet on another project. Now, we've been on the inside, we've done the living room, bedroom, we've done a lot of different stuff. And now, tell them what we're doing, hon.
So we are gonna take a jab at renovating, or not renovating, at flipping furniture? Flipping furniture.
Flipping furniture.
So we found a bunch of, we found a bunch of stuff on Facebook Marketplace, and we figured, hey, if so many people are doing it, let's try to do it and see what happens. So we decided we're gonna try one time to flip furniture, and if it goes well,
we do good, and if we bomb, we bomb. But we're gonna give it a shot. Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, so first things first, what we're gonna do is clean the furniture with soap and water and a little bit of vinegar. Then after that, we are gonna use this gloss off right here, this beautiful bad boy. It says 10 minutes after that we can paint, but we're gonna check to see if there's a little bit of areas, because there are some areas that might need light sanding and just a little bit of repair. Not that much, honestly, guys. This piece of furniture is absolutely stunning. We got it at a beautiful area for a beautiful price of $18. So let's get to work, baby.
And while she's glossing, I'm gonna give you the rundown of the furniture.
While she's deglossing, not glossing. I'm not glossing, I'm deglossing.
Deglossing.
Okay?
All right, degloss it then. Bye.
We gotta clean it.
All right.
All right, guys, just a quick rundown of what we found. Look on the inside here, and all my drawer slides were really in good shape. There were no holes or no cracks in the wood or anything like that. This whole unit was in really, really good shape. From the back to the front, I couldn't be happier with this piece. Now, walking around, I see that there was some overspray on the back side, which means someone did try to refinish it at one point, but they didn't do too good of a job. Other than that, that was the only thing that was really wrong with this piece. The drawers all had dovetail joints, which is really amazing. That's what you look for, good quality. The drawer latch locks were all in really, really good shape. So you can look at the drawers, no damage. Let's get to work. So like my wife said, we're gonna start out by deglossing. Deglossing is deglossing, taking the gloss off the furniture, and that's exactly what this product does. After this process is done, we're gonna wait about 10 minutes before applying the paint. And here's Gracie trying to get in on the action. She's always trying to help. If Gracie had a superpower, it would be her heart.
Yeah! I turned it! I did it, guys! And it was so awesome! We did this, and Daddy rolled it tighter, and he was doing it faster, then I win.
Okay. Awesome job. Fantastic. Mwah. Love you, mama.
Okay, good night.
Can I do another one?
Sure.
I'm telling you, I could not keep this girl away. This girl has a mind to work like no other. For 3 years old, she is like 5 steps ahead. She is a boss.
Wow, that's a beautiful color. Holy smokes. Oh my God, you know what I want to be this color now? Greg, I want to repaint something in the house now.
No, you don't. No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Do you know what I want to repaint?
I don't want to talk about it.
Do you want to know what I want to repaint?
No, don't worry about it.
Guys, this is beautiful. This is, I don't know if you can see it. This is
Beautiful
Color
color.
of the Year by Sherwin-Williams, Evergreen Fog. Baby, do you want to know what I want to paint this color now? Paint in the house?
No.
I think you should.
It's a beautiful color though. I love it.
Okay, I'm ready. This is going to be beautiful for, you ready?
What?
Our living room that we just painted black.
Oh my gosh, I had enough. I had enough.
Alright guys, now it's time to start putting on the first coat of paint. My wife is going to start rolling while I start cutting in. The color we decided to go with was Evergreen Fog by Sherwin-Williams. This is a trim enamel paint which dries to a hard, durable finish.
right, guys, so we put the first coat of paint. I was doing the roller, as you could see, and Greg did the brush. And guys, the paint color is gorgeous. Let me step out of the way so y'all guys can see how beautiful the color is.
It is beautiful.
It is so beautiful that Greg decided that he's gonna paint my living room this color.
What? Well, I didn't say that.
Yes,
girl.
he
Come
did.
on, let's
He did, so stay tuned.
No, don't stay tuned for that. No. All right, guys, it's been a few days. The paint has dried, and now we are on to getting ready to sand this before we finish the second coat. I'm gonna sand this with 220 grit sandpaper. Get this ready.
Even though I put on a deglosser, I still wanted to make sure I don't have any residue before my final coat of paint. So going over with a 220 grit sandpaper is gonna make it perfect.
All right, guys, we had a long day, but we wanted to get this done and put on Facebook Marketplace as soon as possible. So here's Greg working late at night inside the house, applying the satin water-based sealer. All right, guys, it was at this very moment that I looked at the furniture and I said, I need to have it and I want to keep it in my house. No, Mom, that's enough. That's right. All right, guys, to finish off the dresser, we bought these beautiful champagne brass from Home Depot. They were really inexpensive, and I love the way that it looked with the evergreen fog paint. It just made everything come out and looks gorgeous. All right, guys, it is done. It is done.
We got this.
Yeah, so I absolutely love the way that it came out. Now it's time to put it on Facebook Marketplace. And by the time you guys see this video, we should have already sold it.
Yes.
So stay tuned for the update in 3, 2, 1. We
sold it!
Guys, all it took was one day. I put it online at like 10 o'clock at night, and by that night we had 10 messages and someone picked it up in the morning. So guys, we sold it for the full asking price and we made a profit of $260.
It was a done deal.
So do you think that we'll do this again?
Again. We gotta do it one more time.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna be doing this again. So guys, stay tuned for next week's video.
All right,
Take care.
see you next week.
Bye.